Hey Robert, do you mind showing me how you adjust the flow controls on the pre-sorts, please?
Yeah, the way these flow controls work, you just what you do with this, you just bypassing the oil. Like you say, it's too much oil going through this one. You just opening this one, or you go in, and then you bypassing your oil, and you're still sending the same amount of oil goes into the motor. It's going to come out because you don't send no oil to the tank because you're going to need it on this one. Like over here, it's a smaller motor, so it's going to need less oil. But if this was bigger, this one needs more oil than what this one does, you're still getting the same amount of oil. So and we do the same thing in this one. Each one is going to have a different speed, going at different speed. So this is my first pressure line. This out and goes again, the in, out, and goes to the other side. Just one hose, and we do the same thing. Go on the other side. Flow control on the pressure, and you adjust your pressure and then your color sort belt, and that's easier. That way, if wherever you do on this one is not going to affect this one or even the other side, because you still have your 10 gallons per minute going through this hose, and that easier to keep the speed on your color sort belt and your pre-sort. Most of the time, some of the fields, the tomatoes, they're closer to one side on the top of the bed, and probably one of the pre-sorts is getting too full. If you just got one flow control, one side is always going to be too full, but the only way you can control that, like make the chain go faster, is to have its own flow control on each one of the pre-sorts. And this is something simple. We started using this on the pool type machines, and I like this because all you do is only two hoses. You don't need a T or anything. You just run the two hoses like on a regular motor, and they do pretty good.
And you don't need any special tools to
No,
adjust,
all
just
you
your
need,
fingers?
to unlock this, a 916 in range and an iron range, and to unscrew this one, but it's very fast. After you set your speed, like you see this one is locked, and this one, sometimes by hand we can unscrew this one, you see, and then like when they cleaning the machine, they can stop the chain from here, just taking the pressure out there. The chain stops, so they clean one area on the chain. They move it and they make the chain turn, and they can stop again. That way they don't have to be jumping to the machine and turn your switch on and off. So this is one of the things, I got it on all Group 4 machines. They all have these flow controls.
All right. Thank you, Robert.
Yep, no problem.